Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Stay tuned to see how I achieve this fabulous hairstyle. Welcome back. Please take note of the items used. So I'm now going to moisturize my hair with the Cantu leave-in conditioning mist and the tea tree and jojoba oil. Then I'm going to massage my scalp, rub all that in to get it saturated somewhat and moisturized. Now I'm detangling with my comb. I used 4.5 packs of short Afro Kinky Marley braids. This is a synthetic hair. If you're in China, you can get this to buy on Taobao. It's very cheap. It's 17 yuan, I think I paid for it. I use a thin piece of braid with each of my cornrow just to strengthen it, so that when I'm putting in the crochet, it is strong enough to hold the extension or the braid. You can watch and see. So each time you cornrow your hair, you add the end of the previous cornrow into the current one, so that you don't have them hanging down when you're ready to tie in your hair or crochet in your hair. So I part this section into 3 strands of hair. I'm going to cornrow it all the way down to the back. I take the right piece and put it under the middle piece, then take the middle piece, take it over to the left, and then the left under the middle and the middle over to the right. So follow this same procedure until you're done. So this is what mine is looking like. When you're done, I think yours would look something similar to this, or maybe even better. This is what 1 pack of the hair looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and use the scissors to cut it so I can separate the braids. Guys, I went ahead and did the back. So I'm going to show you how to put in the crochet. It's very simple. You can follow. And this is what mine is looking like. I'm really loving it so far. This is what one of the braids looks like. And then you're going to use the crochet needle. This is what it looks like. That's how you open and how you close it. So now I'm going to add one to the side. I'm going to put the needle in the cornrow with the latch facing down. After that, I'm going to put the middle of the hair onto the needle, on the hook of the needle. Then I'm going to close the needle, close the latch, then pull it through the cornrow, hold on to the end of the braid and put it through this open section of the hair or through the middle to form a tie. You're going to pull it and tighten it tight enough to how you can bear it. Please bear in mind that you don't want to get a headache. I'm going to do the same thing to this side. You can watch while I demonstrate. Guys, I'm getting closer to the top of the hair. It is feeling so good. It is soft and it is bouncy. It feels good. Watch this video that is now appearing up at the top right hand corner to see how you space your braids. Right here I was wondering if I should do a middle part or a side part. You can continue to watch, guys. We're almost there. Just a little way to go now. See guys, it's coming on really nice. What do you think about it, guys? Please comment down in the comment section below so I can know your views. Please also like if you think I did a good job. Guys, I'm really digging this style. I'm so loving it. We're done with the crochet part, so now I'm going to use my Murray's Edgewax to do some baby hair, kind of style it up a bit. I'm going to spray it with some water. I have some water and some oils in this bottle just to moisturize it. I'm still going to spray it with some of my Cantu leave-in conditioning mist, just to get it more relaxed and more softer. So guys, do you think this hairstyle suits me? I really want to hear your views. I can't wait to hear. So yes guys, this is it. If you have watched it this far, thank you so much for staying with me. I really appreciate you. And remember, God loves you and I love and appreciate you. See you next time in my next video. Toodles. Bye bye. Mwah.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.